This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Silvia Icaza. Spacious floor plan. 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo at Quantum on the Bay. Unit has great views of the bay and downtown Miami. Full amenities building includes 2 pools, state-of-the-art gym, sauna, theater room, bayfront lounge, market, and food service, 24-hour concierge and much more. Across the street from the Margaret Pace Park. This is a beautiful building. Pet-friendly. Short distance to WYNWOOD and Design District. For more information, review the details below or contact Silvia Icaza at 786-488-4245.